In the vast, blue ocean, a gentle giant named whale shark resided. This enormous creature, despite its size, was the kindest soul in the sea. One day, a little fish named Dory found itself lost in the depths. Overwhelmed and afraid, Dory swam aimlessly, unsure of the way home. As Dory struggled, whale shark, with its enormous eyes, spotted the lost fish. Thinking it was in trouble, whale shark swam towards Dory. "Oh, great whale shark, I'm lost," Dory cried out, trembling in fear. "Please help me find my home." Whale shark, with a gentle smile, assured Dory, "I will help you find your way, little one." Together, they swam through the deep seas, searching for Dory's home. Along the way, they encountered many other creatures, each with their own problems. A turtle with a broken shell, a crab with a missing claw, and a bird with a broken wing. Whale shark, with his kind heart, helped each one, teaching Dory the importance of helping others. Finally, after many days and nights, they reached Dory's home. Grateful, Dory thanked whale shark. "I couldn't have done it without you, whale shark." Whale shark smiled. "It's not about me, Dory. It's about helping those in need." Remember, a small act of kindness can make a big difference. With that, Dory swam away, carrying the lesson of kindness in her heart. And from that day forward, she helped everyone she met, just as whale shark had taught her. And the moral of the story is, no act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted.